Welcome back to Nicola Explores. Today I'm showing you exactly how to get from Naples Airport to Salerno, step by step. Step 1. Naples Airport to Napoli Centrale. Once you leave the arrivals hall at Naples Airport, head outside to catch the Alibus. I'll show you the way in this guide. We bought our tickets at the machines inside the airport terminal, but you can also buy them on the bus. The Alibus connects the airport with the city, and it's the easiest way to get to Napoli Centrale train station for the second part of your journey. From the airport, it's a 5-minute walk to the bus stop. Follow these signs. We've just arrived in Naples and we're making our way to Salerno. The first thing that we have to do is to make our way from the airport to the Alibus, the special airport bus, which connects the airport to the centre of Naples. And from there we're going to catch a train to Salerno. It's a quick and simple ride, usually around 20 to 30 minutes depending on traffic. A single ticket cost €5 per person and the driver validated our ticket. The Alibus was incredibly busy. We're currently on the bus, but had we had known, we could have actually shared a taxi with people and it would have cost €5 per person, which is exactly the same price as the bus, which is very, very crowded. Step 2. Napoli Centrale to Salerno Centrale. The Alibus drops you off right outside Napoli Centrale, the city's main train station. From here, you can catch a direct train to Salerno. You can buy tickets from the Train Italia machines, ticket counters, or even in advance online. Trains are very frequent, usually every 20 to 30 minutes, so you won't be waiting long.
Beware of pickpockets. In case of need, ask only Trenitalia staff for more information.
We bought our tickets on the day using the Train Italia ticket machines. We needed 2 single tickets. The machines are easy to use and take you through the process step by step in a range of languages, including English. After you've selected your train, you are given the option to upgrade to first class. The seats are reserved and we had to enter our personal information in order to purchase our tickets. It's always best to pay in the local currency if you're paying by credit card. Tickets cost £9.50 each, so much cheaper than in England. As you'd imagine, Napoli Centrale is an incredibly busy train station. We checked the departure boards and headed to our platform. Binare is Italian for platform. You can usually see English underneath. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to hit subscribe. It's a great way of saying thank you and it really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions, please do add them to the comments and I'll get back to you. D. Yeah. The train ride takes about 40 minutes to an hour, depending on which service you choose. It's a comfortable and scenic journey, and before long you'll arrive in beautiful Salerno. We chose to stay in Salerno when we explored the Amalfi Coast. If you'd like to see the best of Salerno, from its old town and seafront promenade to hidden gems, make sure to check out my full Salerno travel guide, linked here and in the description. Until next time, happy exploring!